So our question is to convert the given grammar into CNF. Now in order to convert the given grammar into CNF, we should have the format of A is producing AB or A is producing A. That is, we should have two non-terminal on the right hand side or a single terminal. But here in this question, what is present here? First of all, we have to check whether it is in a proper CNF format. So CFG format, sorry. So what is CFG format? In the CFG format, we should have a single non-terminal on the right hand side followed by any combination of terminal and non-terminal. But we should not have the epsilon, because in the case of CFG, we should avoid having the epsilon. That is called as a simplification of CFG. So if in the conversion from conversion into CNF, if this kind of question is given where the epsilon is present, so what we have to do, first of all, we have to remove the epsilon from our grammar. So for removing the epsilon, what we are going to do, first of all, we are going to write all the grammars without writing epsilon. So ABA we are going to write as it is, AA as it is, then we have to write BB as it is without considering the epsilon. Now what the next step? The next step is we are going to put epsilon in the place of this A. So if we are going to put epsilon in the place of A, so we will get only single A like this. If we are going to put epsilon in B, we will get single B. Now same thing, put epsilon here in A, B and A. So if we are going to put epsilon in A, B, A, what we are going to get? If we are going to put epsilon in A, we will get BA. If we are going to put epsilon in last A, we will get AB. If we are going to put epsilon in B, we will get AA. If we are going to put epsilon in A and A, we will get B. If we are going to put epsilon in BA, we will get A. And this one is ABA is we are writing without considering epsilon. That was the first step. Okay, this is because of without considering epsilon, and these are the things that we are getting after considering the epsilon. So what will be our actual question is, what we are going to get after simplifying the given CFG. So this is the grammar that we are getting after removing the epsilon. So this will become our new question. So if this is our new question, what we have to do, we have to find the context Chomsky normal form for this CFG. So for the Chomsky normal form, the required format is either A is producing two non-terminals or the single terminal. So we'll check with the first one, BA. BA is already, yes, BA is already in the CNF format. AB, which is already in the CNF format, AA is already in the CNF format. The next one is S is producing B, which is not in the CNF format. So what B is producing? B is producing BB or B. So B is producing BB or slash B. Okay. So S is producing BB and here slash B. Now this BB is not in the CNF format. So what we will do, we will consider R1. R1 is producing B. So that because of that, what we are going to get? We are going to get B is producing R1B. So S is producing R1B, because what is B? B is nothing but S. Okay, or B. S is producing A. So here what is A? A is AA. So now convert AA into CNF format. So this A will be replaced by R2. So this is R2A. The last one is S is producing ABA. So for R3 is producing, for this R3 is producing AB. So S is producing R3 and A. Then last one is, so here what we are going to get after finding all the CNF format, what we have to do, we have to combine everything which is present in orange color is nothing but your production in the CNF. So at the end, as your final CFG, as a final output, what we have to write, we have to combine everything which is present in orange box together will be the answer of your CNF format for the given question.